All right, guys. So I've had a couple comments here recently, especially in the how to mine Keryx on HiveOS, which I'll leave a description link here, in the card above, as well as in the description down below. Um, it seems like a couple people were actually struggling to be able to get their mining rigs set up on Hive. So I'll walk you guys through. It's going to be a real quick, couple minute video. That's all it's going to be. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Sit back and enjoy. So first things first, you can see on the screen right here that I do have my BKL Mine homepage up. And as of right now, it's not showing anything because I just actually turned my miner back on because I was actually sort of upset with the fact that I didn't really see any kind of movement with my rewards. And it does show up that my rewards started showing up here recently, and they're not all that good. So if you're going to be mining this, please take into consideration that the profits are not there on this coin. It is more about establishing and helping keep this coin going. So if you are completely in this for making profit, this probably isn't the way to go. I mean, I am running a 3090 on this currently on here, and I only made 300 some odd Keryx over the weekend, which really isn't a lot. Before I was making a lot more. But let's dive on in how to go ahead and actually create a flight sheet that's going to work. So first thing I want to do is I want to come over here to how to connect. Then I want to click on this Intermine HiveOS. And we're going to click on the download button here on the upper right side. And then from there, it'll take us to their GitHub page. So now what I want to do is I want to come in here and I'm going to click on this miner. And I'm going to right click on the Interminer for HiveOS. And I'm going to copy this, copy the link address itself. And then we're going to go back into our rig here. And this is actually going to be the rig that I have down in Virginia with Mr. New England Crypto. It is back up and running, and it has been renamed to Sonic. But for this one, we're going to dive into our Knuckles miner, which is the one right here behind me. And we're going to come down to our flight sheet. And I'm going to just go into this flight sheet here to show you, because this is the flight sheet that's going to be, this will have all the information you need to go ahead and put in there. So we're going to come over here, we're going to click on edit. All right, there we go. And obviously, if you guys want to know how to get to this part, please watch the last video I did on this. It'll give you step-by-step instructions. But this is where it's going to change a little bit. So that copy that I just did on their GitHub, we're going to come over here and we're going to clear this out, which is what you see here. There's actually a new version of this miner, so it's actually good that we're doing this. And I'm going to delete all of that, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it. And now when I hit apply changes, it will now ping the GitHub to get the information needed to be able to mine this properly. So now I'm going to hit update, and it's going to hit all workers. And we're going to just jump in over here. And I'm going to go ahead and SSH in after I restart the miner, just to make sure that the new information has actually captured. So if you guys give me a second, when I'm able to log into the SSH, I will show you guys what's going on there. All right, so here we are on the screen right now. You can see that I've SSH'd into my rig here. So I've actually logged into it to see what's going on. And as you can see right here, it is saying that it is currently downloading the newest version of this mining software. It looks like it just finished that. I'm not sure if it's going to try to re-download all of the data packets, because all we're doing is just updating it. In theory, all that should be there. So let's see what ends up happening. All right, guys, there you go. It didn't take very long for this to actually take all the information that was already in there and move it over to this new miner, because we've been running on it for a little while. You can see on the screen here, it is updating some of the local models. You can see right there that we are connected to the pool. And now it's going to go ahead and remove some of the obsolete models that are there and update them. So it will take a little bit of time. I'm not sure exactly how long. But let's go ahead and jump into the BKL mine to see if my miner does show up. And there you go. Right here, you can see that updated just now. It is back online. And right here, you can see it's been online for about 2 minutes. which didn't really take a very long time for it to do what it was supposed to. So we are up and running. If you do get that code 111, this is what I would do. I would go to their GitHub page. I would copy the actual software download and then put that into your HiveOS flight sheet. Update your miner, and then go ahead and try to restart it. If you're still having an issue with it, double check your Keryx wallet address. Make sure that it's actually set copied and pasted properly, because that could also cause other issues for you. So like I said, guys, at the beginning of the video, this is going to be super short, simple, and sweet. If this has helped you in any way, please go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe this out with someone, or share this with someone out there that has maybe struggled with trying to get their GPU on Keryx. Aside from that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Have a great rest of your day.